Did you know you can produce a laundry bar soap at the comfort of your home? In this video, I'll be throwing in some secrets a lot of soap makers don't know. Now, in soap making, you can use any water of your choice. Just make sure the water is clean. Then you see this thing called caustic soda. Every tablet soap you see in the market, even your favorite bathing soap, was made using caustic soda. There is no tablet soap in the market that was made without caustic soda. So if you think your soap does not have caustic soda in it, they play, just they play. Then every soap or tablet soap is made with 3 basic ingredients, which is the oil, water, and caustic soda. There is no soap that has bypassed these basic ingredients. It's like building a house without setting a foundation. It's not possible. Then also in soap making, you can use any oil of your choice. Just make sure you understand that oil you're using. Don't just use things by trial and error. You know how that oil will behave in your soap production. There is a particular temperature your oil is supposed to be before you use it to make your soap. So before you make your soap, make sure you warm your oil. Then also, there is one major lie in soap making, which is people normally say that you have to dissolve your caustic soda for 24 hours or for weeks or for 1 month or for 1 year before you use it to make your soap. That is a very big lie. I will be unveiling those secrets more in my online class. So if you want to learn more about soap making, do well by joining my online class that goes on WhatsApp. There you will learn how to make soap like a pro. There's a lot of things you don't know about soap making. Your favorite online class teacher most times does not even know those right things. That's why they will tell you dissolve caustic and leave it for 10 days, 1 week, 24 hours. It's not true. They are just telling you what their great grandparents told them. So that error was moving from generation to generation, and it got to their own generation, and they're trying to pass it to your own generation. So if you want to learn more, do well by chatting me on WhatsApp to join our online class. Then also, I produce soap making equipment. If you need soap making equipment, if you are a soap maker and you want to up your soap game, then come and purchase equipment from us. Our equipment are actually very affordable and very easy to use. And this is not a scam zone. We deliver nationwide. Wheresoever you are in Nigeria, we will send your equipment down to your location. We are not your village people, so don't be scared of us. We are a legit business people. We do legit business. So you can buy your soap making equipment from us. And don't forget, we deliver what? Nationwide. We can even send up to Ghana and Cameroon. If you are in Ghana or if you are in Cameroon, you can also buy equipment from us. We have very easy to use equipment. So thank you all for watching this video. If this is your first time coming to my page, do well by following me. If you're watching this on YouTube, I beg subscribe. If you're watching it on TikTok, follow me. If you're watching it on Facebook, follow me, because if you don't follow me, you might not see me again. Brother, sister, you that just click on that follow button, you are doing a nice job. Flesh and bone did not reveal this to you. And please don't forget to share this video. Share this video with your friends. Share it with your family. Share it with your church members. There are a lot of people out there looking for skills they can learn. They need handwork. They need something they can be doing. They need a side hustle that they can add to their current income. You understand? It's called multiple streams of income. So do well by sharing this video. And don't forget, we have soap equipment. We have soap molds. We have soap stamps. We have soap trimmers. We have soap groove makers. We have soap cutters. So we have varieties of equipment for you to purchase and up your soap game. You understand? You can see them. They look very beautiful. They are beautiful and very steady and very good. So this is kind of equipment you need for your soap making business. And also, our equipment are actually very affordable. So don't be scared to come to my DM. The prices will not scare you. They're actually very affordable. Any persons can literally afford them. They're not expensive. So come to my DM to purchase our equipment. So goodbye. See you guys on my next video. I beg, share this video. I beg, follow me. Thank you. Don't forget to join our online class to learn how to make soap like a pro. And don't forget to buy equipment from us. Goodbye and have a lovely day.